Thank you for visiting the page. I know you're asking yourself, how can they keep doing the SIP tutorial year after year? Well, the truth of the matter is that the standard's dynamic, particularly with what's going on with HTML5 coming down the pike and all the ability to take media and plug it right into the web browser. Now, in the internet standards, that's being translated into something called RTC Web. And we're going to see the real-time communications discussion being part of the SIP tutorial this year. So we're getting the advantages of that. Plus, we have the lessons of what happened in China and how the Chinese adapted and adopted the Internet Engineering Task Force to look at what the opportunities are with the standards. So the SIP tutorial has always been a wonderful experience to get you not only in line with what's happening at the base level of SIP, but more importantly, keeping you abreast of what's coming down the road. And the truth of the matter is, we're about to go through a lot of changes. On 331, HTML5 gets ratified, and we're going to see that that experience start to invade our communications needs. So you should join us in Miami and learn about RTC Web and the rest of SIP. Thanks.